ده سايح اجنبي امريكي. اما ده بقى العم بقالي سايح اجنبي جالي مخصوص بسبب كومنت كتبته. اللي عايز يعرف مفعول الكلمه السحري يسمع الحدوته دي. كومنت لطيف يقدر يغير حياه بني ادم ويقلب المود بتاع اليوم بتاعه، وده اللي حصل معايا مع السايح الامريكي.
I'm in lovely Alexandria, Egypt. My real reason for coming here was because of a comment that I received on Facebook.
جملة بسيطة كتبتها له في يوم كان هو مش أحسن حاجة من ناحية المود، خليته مبسوط جدا، ألا وهي إن أنا اتمنيت له أنا وفريق العمل بتاع مطعم عم بقالي يوم جميل، وهو اليوم بتاعه كان كده.
I wasn't in a good mood and I read this comment on one of my videos from this person, and I couldn't understand it, of course, because it was in Arabic, so I translated it. Now when you see something like that, especially from someone that doesn't know you, that's just wishing you well, how could something like that not put a smile on your face?
الكلمة دي كانت كفيلة تجيبه من القاهرة لحد اسكندرية عشان يشوف مين اللي بيتمنى له يوم جميل وهو ما يعرفوش قبل كده. سبيروس فاتس، ها هشوفكم بقى انتوا تشوفوا رد فعل وبعد ما ده الاكل بتاعنا. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Look at this. Tell me about your comments honestly.
Oh, that's cheesy. That's good.
It's two kinds of cheese, as I told you. Gouda cheese and mozzarella cheese.
Oh man.
Smoked chicken.
Look at that. The chicken in there.
Oh,
chicken is good
God.
too. It's tender.
Yes, because it's had 2 hours cooking. More than 2 hours in cooking.
Really good. 10 out of 10. I can't say anything, man. This is good.
Just eat.
Yeah.
Make all people around you, make them smile.
That's my plan,
Keep
man.
that as you can.